how to manage who can follow you on Facebook PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Facebook. This is the home page. Now all what you have to do is so simple and easy. Just go to Facebook, go to the top corner right here, click on settings and privacy. Now all what you have to do is click on settings, and now go here to public posts, and now go to the first option, who can follow me, and click here and choose who can follow you, public or friends. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.